Overhand right there. Right hand and left hook there from Concrete is going to survive from Herlin. Right uppercut there and for a second time, and that's it being waved off. Herlin Gomez.
Kumusta at welcome back sa ating channel. Si Herlin Gomez ay isa sa top prospect ng bantamweight division at may record sa kasalukuyan na 11 wins, 1 loss at 9 knockouts. At nito lang September 28, 2023 ay naiuwi nito ang WBC Asian Silver Bantamweight belt nang pataubin nito ang kalaban sa loob lang ng unang round. Samantala ngayong taong 2023, halos buwan-buwan ay mayroong laban si Herlin Gomez. Katunayan 6 na beses nang napalaban ang ating kababayan ngayong taon. Lahat ay tinapos nito via knockout. Isa na nga dyan nitong January 25, 2023 na ginanap sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap ni Herlin Gomez ang Thai fighter na si Thanachai Khamon. Sa round 2 ay nakipagsabayan ang Thai fighter sa Pinoy, ngunit di kinaya nito ang lakas ni Gomez at bumagsak ang Thai boxer. Sa pagbangon nito ay pinaulanan ng kaliwat kanan ni Gomez ang Thai boxer na nagresulta ng muling pagbagsak nito, kaya tinigil na ng referee ang laban. Panalo si Gomez via second round technical knockout. Isang buwan lang ang pagitan. February 22, 2023 ay balik Thailand si Herlin Gomez para sagupayan ang veteranong Thai fighter na si Wicha Pulaikau.
เดินมุดเข้าใส่เลยครับมวยประเภทไฟเตอร์ครับ แต่ว่าโตหนักๆแรงๆครับเฮอร์ลินโกเมสเจอลูกเก่าของปิกนี่ต่อยลำตัวครับดีครับชัยภูมินี่ก็มีอดีตแชมป์โลกเลยครับพิชิตสิทธิ์บางพระจันทร์เลยครับเกิดที่นั่นโอ้โหหลวงตัวหนักๆครับมาแล้วครับผ่านที่ขั้นของเฮอร์ลินโกเมสนะครับก่อนที่บรรดามวยสร้างของประเทศไทยนี่
Sa round 2 ay nakatikim ang Thai boxer ng matinding right jab sa katawan.
มาแล้วครับโอ้โหโดนลำตัวครับร่วงเลยครับปิกนี่หมัดขวาเต็มๆครับอาจารย์วรวุฒิเดือนขาวนับเลยครับโอ้ดูครับทำหน้าตาเย๋เก๋ไปต่อครับไปต่อโอ้โหพร้อมหรือเปล่าครับเจ้าตัวยัง
Sa pagtayo ng Thai boxer ay pinunteriya naman ni Gomez ang ulo nito kaya muli itong napaluhod.
ดูครับต่อยหมัดขวาแน่นๆมาแล้วครับหมัดชุดครับโอ้โหคราวนี้โดนหน้าเต็มๆครับยังสู้อยู่ครับอยู่ในช่วง10วินาทีสุดไม่รีบครับเฮอร์ลินโกเมสครับ
Sa round 3 ay muling pinakain muli ni Gomez ng kaliwat kanang kamao ang Thai boxer.
โอ้แต่ว่าโดนซ้ายขวาเอาหมัด1 2 3 4มาเป็นชุดเลยครับโอ้โหอยากระหาฝนมีท้าเรียกปิกนี่ครับบอกว่าต่อยเข้ามาตอนนี้ครับขอคืนบ้างครับไม่ใช่บอยสเกาต์แต่ก็ขอโอ้โหโดนฮุกซ้ายใครดีใครอยู่ครับใครอึดกว่าใครทนกว่าเอ้าโอ้โหโดนครับปัดเต็มๆครับแหมร่วงไปร่วงครับโดนหมัดขวาเลยครับโอ้ต้องทิ้งตัวครับโดนเยอะจริงๆครับชุดนี้อาจารย์วรวุฒิต้องนับอีกครั้งหนึ่งครับอาจารย์วรวุฒิยังให้โอกาสครับโอ้โหบวกหมัดครับ 1-2 เดินทางมาถึงยกที่4นะครับ
Sa pagpasok ng round 4 ay muling pinaulanan ni Gomez na makakombinasyon ang Thai boxer kaya't muli itong bumagsak sa ika-4 na pagkakataon.
โอ้ไหวไม่ไหวครับโดนเลยครับหมัดขวาโอ้ร่วง
Kaya suminyas na ang referee na tapos na ang laban.
โอ้ร่วงลงไปครับเรียบร้อยครับจบเลยครับ
Panalo si Gomez via 4th round technical knockout at isang buwan lang din ang pagitan. March 30, 2023 ay balik Thailand si Herlin Gomez na kung saan isa na naman na veteranong Thai fighter ang kanyang makakaharap na si Pisano Chemsontom. Sa round 2 ay nakatikim ng bagsik ng kamao ni Gomez ang Thai fighter.
Body here from Herlin. Hand of his, just like that. Oh, and that was super quick.
Sa pagtayo nito ay tumama naman ang matinding right uppercut ni Gomez.
Two here. Oh, he is. Herlin coming in again. Shots to the body from Herlin and uppercut to the head. Big right uppercut. And Visanu is down again for a second time.
Sa muling pagtayo nito ay muling binakbakan ni Gomez ang Thai fighter para tapusin na sana ang laban. Ngunit saved by the bell.
10 seconds to pile on the pressure. And he's throwing everything he can at Visanu. And there you go, saved by the...
Sa round 3 ay tumama ang kanang kamao ni Gomez dahil lang sa pag-iwang nito.
Whoa, great right hand there and that push.
Sa pagkakataong ito, nakakuha ng tiyempo si Gomez ng isang matinding left hook dahilan ng di na pagtayo ng Thai boxer.
From Herlin, officially down again, and that's going to be it. Referee.
Panalo si Herlin Gomez by a third round technical knockout. Makalipas ang 2 buwan, May 25, 2023, ay muling bumalik sa Thailand ang ating kababayan na si Herlin Gomez, na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang isa na naman na Thai fighter na si Jackpan Santong.
Okay. Both these two having a fight in the phone booth around, rallying back with his own 1-2 and going to the body and to the head, drawing on the pressure early on in round 2. Very well placed right hand to the body there from Jackpan, and again he goes back. Jackpan's guard lowers to protect his body from the body shots. Good body shot there from Herlin. Right hand connects, misses with the...
Sa round 2, dahil matibay din ang muka ng Thai fighter, ay pinunteriya ni Gomez ang katawan nito at binigyan ng kaliwat kanang jab sa katawan ng Thai boxer. Dahilan sa pamimilipit ng sakit ang Thai boxer at di na nagawang makatayo pa.
Down the middle, ending that combination with a left hook. Right uppercut from Herlin. And he's down! Jackpan is down! It was the left uppercut to the body. Beforehand he landed the right uppercut to the body as well, and it doesn't look like Jackpan's gonna get up. And...
Panalo si Gomez by a second round knockout. Matapos ang 3 buwan, August 26, 2023, ay dumayo si Herlin Gomez sa Dubai, na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Indian fighter na si Vikas Dahiya. Sa round 1 ay tinapos kaagad ni Gomez ang laban nang makipagsabayan ang Indian fighter sa Pinoy. Tinamaan ito ng lever shot sa tagiliran dahilan sa pag-ayaw nito sa laban. Panalo si Herlin Gomez by a first round technical knockout. 1 buwan matapos ang laban ay nito lang September 28, 2023 ay balik Thailand si Herlin Gomez para paglabanan ang WBC Asian Silver Bantamweight title, na kung saan harapin niya rito ang veterano at world title challenger na si Kumgrits Nantapets. Tracing Pinoy na din ang nakalaban ng Thai fighter na ito. Siyam rito ang kanyang tinalo. Ang ilan sa Pinoy boxer na kanyang nakalaban, sina Albert Pagara, Froilan Salodar, Donnie Nietes at Karhamis Martin. Samantala si Kumgrits Nantapets ay may record na 32 wins, 8 losses at 25 knockouts. Habang si Herlin Gomez ay may record na 10 wins, 1 loss at 7 knockouts. Samantala sa pagsimula ng laban, parang sisiw lang kay Gomez ang kalaban nitong veteranong Thai boxer. Gamit ang bilis at lakas para dominahin ang laban.
Right hand there from Herlin. From what I remember from Herlin, it was making me remember. Great right hand connects for Herlin as he goes low and then high. Twice with a body shot. Second one looked like that really affected Concrete. And Herlin trying his own shots. It looks like Herlin's just beating him to the punch. Uppercut right hand from Herlin. Jab down the middle from Herlin too. One, two, and then uppercut there from Herlin. Overhand right there from Herlin, and that took Concrete off balance.
Sa round 1 ay dito tinamaan ng left uppercut ang Thai fighter dahilan sa pagbagsak nito.
Right hand and left hook there from Herlin, and right there, that was the first knockdown. Concrete is on the canvas, no surprise. We've got 30 seconds
Nagawa
left.
pa makatayo ang Thai boxer, ngunit muli itong tinamaan ng counter right uppercut. At dito di na nakatayo at itinigil na ang laban.
From Herlin. Right uppercut there, and for a second time, and that's it being waited. And there we go, right uppercut there to end it. Of Herlin Gomez is the new WBC Asia Silver.
Panalo ang ating kababayan via first round knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ni Herlan Gomez? Ibigay ang iyong opinion sa baba at huwag kalimutan i-like at mag-subscribe kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.